What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Sydney and I are on an adventure today. Super unplanned, you guys. I woke up, was just in a really good mood, and I'm like, you know what? Let's do something today. It's gonna be cold, so I think the rest of the week is supposed to warm up a little bit, so today would be a perfect day to go on a little road trip. So at first I thought, I really want to go to IKEA. I really want to check it out. We live a couple of hours away from IKEA. So I've only been like one time, I think, in my life. We went one time like years and years ago. Anywho, and then I thought, hey, perfect day to go to the aquarium. So we are gonna go to the Boston Aquarium. It was meant to be because when I went on their site, you have to, of course, purchase tickets ahead of time because they're limiting capacity. So when I went on their site, there were only 2 tickets left for this afternoon for today, just 2. So 1 and 2. It worked out perfectly. So I had like time to throw myself together very quickly, hop in the car, and let's go on an adventure. So first and foremost, stopping and grabbing myself a coffee from Dunkin's.
Can I have a donut?
Yes, you can have a donut.
Yeah.
Today's a special day, so why not?
Morning, what's here for you?
Hi, can I please have a medium iced mocha latte with whole milk? Or a sprinkles? And a chocolate frosted with sprinkles donut.
Anything else?
That's it.
Coming up.
Thank you. Anyway, I'm probably cutting it a little bit close by going through the drive-thru. I wanted to give myself extra time to drive because I'm not gonna lie, I have kind of a lot of anxiety about driving in Boston. From Maine, like a little town girl, I don't drive on busy roads, and people from Massachusetts drive a whole lot more aggressively and faster than we do here in vacation land. So I have anxiety about, 1 second, honey, okay? I definitely have anxiety about driving by myself. Usually I would just sit in the passenger seat and let other people deal with the 5 lanes, switching lane, not knowing where you're going thing. But that's okay. I've just been in that mind state of like, I really want to just live my life, but this is like the safest little dip in the fun pond. What, baby?
Why are you in the grass?
It looks like we're in the grass, but we're not. It's just because Mama's car is low. Anyway, so of course they have, like, you know, safety protocols in place, but I just figured it would be, I don't know, just a fun day. We've never been to the aquarium. So again, getting my coffee, and then we're gonna take the 1.5-hour road trip. Yeah, we're just gonna make it just on time, so hopefully we can cut a few minutes here and there. I'm excited.
I'm so good.
Sydney's really excited too.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love.
Look at that dinosaur. It's not real, baby, it's just bones. Look at him, he said hi to you.
What a nice penguin. Don't come out.
No. Look at those things.
Hi. Did you say hi to me?
Maybe.
Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
I knew there was Dory. Dory.
Sydney found Dory. Dory. There's a lot of Dories.
Dory.
Is that the right one? Is that the one you want? You are? Yeah, of course they're happy. Oh, how beautiful. Some of them.
Look, you said we were going to drive to the sea lion.
No. Look. Let's go.
I'm going to go on top of that.
We gotta take the elevator. How gorgeous it is. So gorgeous here.
In a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say.
Hey, I don't even know if you can see me right now. We went to the aquarium. It was fun. What did you think, Sydney?
And look, you guys, I got. There was an animal.
Yep, so she wanted Nemo, so she got a Nemo. Oh my goodness, let me tell you, I do not ever wish to live in a city because driving, I don't know how anyone with anxiety lives here, that's for sure. But anyway, the GPS, we got here, so I decided to pop over to IKEA. I mean, it was a little drive to IKEA from here, but we are gonna go check out, see what they have, since we haven't been, and so I haven't been like I said, once ever. And then also to see if they have the shelves for Sydney's playroom closet. I need a few more shelves because they broke on me. So we'll see if we can even, you know, I don't even know how this works here, but it's a huge store. I'm really wanting to get home before rush hour. It's 3, so I'm like,
Storm, a lightning strike as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
as you can see, I got a couple of things from IKEA. Honestly, I started to panic because I realized it's rush hour, which I don't even know, like what it's. So I probably would have spent another hour there browsing, but I started to panic and realized it's rush hour. So it's 4:30 right now, and you know what? Since we don't live near a Chick-fil-A, I was like, let's see if there's a Chick-fil-A, and there is one.
At the next light, turn left.
3 miles away, and it looks like it's kind of on the way in the direction that we would drive for home. So we are gonna grab Chick-fil-A as I'm trying to, you know, eat healthy, but it's all about balance. It's okay. I'm not doing anything like restrictive, just in general trying to eat better, but that's okay. We're gonna make an exception for Chick-fil-A. But I'm gonna shut you guys off before I get out of this IKEA driveway here. Now I know what people mean by lines wrapped around the building, because this line is really long. And getting Chick-fil-A is probably worth it, right? Even though I'm not gonna be able to eat it in the car for a while. Whatever, we're making a day out of it.
I want to eat it in the car.
Sydney can, yeah, you can, baby. I just gotta focus on driving. But I think I'm gonna eat the original chicken sandwich with Polynesian and Chick-fil-A sauce on the side.
Mommy.
Were there other sauces people wanted me to try? I don't remember. And I'm probably gonna get a diet lemonade. What, baby girl?
Mommy, you're gonna give me lemonade, Penny.
Do you want the nuggets? The chicken nuggets?
Yes, and you're gonna give me lemonade.
You want a lemonade?
Yeah, lemonade.
Anyway, we had such a good day. I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow and just share with you a little of what I picked up, because by the time we get home it'll be dark and bedtime, and I'll probably need myself like to unwind from traffic.
Yeah, Mommy.
Only because I'm not used to it. I'm literally a grandma meaner
Mommy, I
who lives on like
you.
2-lane highways.
I got you.
Okay, I never know if I'm supposed to wear a mask in the drive-thru or not. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. I feel like if I see people in front of me and back of me do it, then I do it like as a courtesy. Someone behind me is doing it. Oh, what is life? Oh, by the way, I felt safe at the aquarium. It was busy though, like busy for me. I have wicked bad anxiety, you guys I'm sure know, as with germs, even before a pandemic. So it was busy. But of course everyone was wearing their masks. There were like hand sanitizer every 15 feet. And there were space markers. It was busy, but not obviously as busy as normal. They did limit capacity, so you have to buy ahead of time. But in case anyone was interested in knowing, if anyone's a nervous Nelly like me. I know there are so many people out living life, but I'm a nervous Nelly. But anyway, okay. Thank you.
This is hard, Mommy.
Thank you. What's so hard, baby?
Mommy, I don't need hand sanitizer.
We already did hand sanitizer. The ride home felt really long. It was easy though. Like driving home from Boston was actually way easier than driving in, because we didn't have to, like, you know, there's like 5 lanes and exits on the left, exits on the right, and then GPS is like, okay, in 0.25 seconds you need to cross over 4 lanes and take a left. I'm like, ah! Anyway, it turned out really great. We had a wonderful day. But yeah, it's just about bedtime already. Day went by so fast. Oh, I thought I would mention, so Chick-fil-A, this time I got the #1 original deluxe with the sauce on the side, like the sauce is on the side. The fries were much better. The first time I got them, I think they were not they weren't seasoned or anything. So this time the fries were much better. And I really like the #1. It to me is better than the spicy, because I'm just a kind of a wimp when it comes to spicy. The original deluxe was so good. I'm just realizing that I'm not in focus that whole time. The original deluxe, so good. My new favorite. Anyway, I decided to get Chick-fil-A because I was like, when I'm never around a Chick-fil-A, and now that I know I love it, like per the last time, I was like, let's just get it. We're not gonna be home for dinner time and eat totally unhealthy. Tomorrow, I'll eat healthy again. But it was such an awesome day, so gonna get ready for bed. I'm exhausted from all that driving. Like driving, even though you're just sitting there, driving's tiring too. She's got her, look, she's got her Nemo and Dory. She's all excited. Okay, it's the next day. We have some light. I wanted to just show you the purchases that I made from IKEA. So this is what I got. You guys, this palm plant is $14.99. I picked it up at first and I thought it was fake. So I like manhandled one, and then I realized, oh my word, that's real. So I have it sitting on a towel because I watered it today, because I didn't know when the last time they watered it. So I watered and misted it and just have this sitting on a towel for the moment. But I'm thinking of where I'm gonna put this. So I was thinking, don't mind, my living room is very well played in right now. I was thinking I'm either gonna put it over in this corner. I'm not sure though, because I have the heat registers here, and at least when the heat's on in the winter, I don't know. We will see. I'm not a houseplant person yet, but I want to be. So it's either gonna go over there or probably in my bedroom. But I love greenery, and you can't go wrong. 15 bucks for a live palm plant. Anywho, so there's that. And then I also got this. I thought it was a trash can, but honestly, at first I thought it was a trash can, but I think it's a plant pot holder thing. So yeah, I think this was actually expensive though. I didn't look at the price when I purchased it. I just looked at my receipt. I think this was $19.99, so 20 bucks. But this will go with the plant inside of that. So that will look nice and boho, just like the look that I want. I should have got 2 of these though, because this would make a perfect trash can for my downstairs bathroom. I think. Maybe it's totally not a trash can, you guys. Unless you get like a liner to put it. Yeah, you totally put a real trash can in there. Anyway, I'm thinking out loud. So I got a colander strainer for $2.99. So $3 for this strainer. I've been needing an extra one, so I thought that would be perfect just to have. And then I have been eyeing this basket for so long. I've been seeing it on their site, and a couple people have it. How adorable. I love this. I think it's gonna go in Sydney's room. And it will be holding up. It's perfect. You like it?
I no, put this pot. I'm gonna put toys in it.
You think so? Okay, hang on, baby. I think that's gonna go in your bedroom. And this is $25, so $24.99. So those were my purchases from IKEA. Not a huge haul. I wish I had a lot more time to spend in there because I know I would have bought other stuff, but that's what I got for now. Yes, that is absolutely perfect. Perfect little plant holder. I love that look. To me, that's totally my aesthetic right there.